let's continue and see what we else need to unlock. We need to unlock, uh, we need to use smelting to produce iron ingot and copper ingot. So we have it over here, right? The process is very similar. Let's just, yeah, start for the beginning, just start extraction, but we create a furnace and we set a recipe. Recipe copper ingot. So this orange is a copper, right? And the other one is the blue is iron. So also, not to repeat ourselves, we click plus because it will copy the building as a recipe also. And yeah, we can make it handy, like align it nicely, right? One by one. So you can imagine it's like a big brush, yes? And then we could just connect it. Some nice electric scheme, if you like, when things are well organized. Yes. Yeah, it will keep producing and spots will move. So let's have a look. Oh, yes. This blue part is basically iron. We can copy this nice part. I did selection, then we click plus, and you see it's convenient just to place it nicely. And let's just wire this iron parts over here. If you don't have much money, you see I have 170, it keeps adding. Just wait a bit. You can plug into electric to power your iPad if you play on iPad, for example. And let it work, because every second it is producing. Oh, you see, now it's stuck. Why it's stuck? Because we have the recipe for copper, but arriving iron. We switch the recipe and it will start to process. Okay, now it's going. Okay. Let's do this nicely. Okay. When it's well organized, it's a pleasure to copy. Uh-huh. You see, cannot afford, we need 174. Okay, that's fine. A bit of patience and money will be there. Copy. It is there. Using left right to spin and then to connect it. Copying once again. Okay, a bit of waiting and yeah, we have it. Okay, so we have unlocked one half, but copper ingots, they are arriving also. So you see, it's going to the finish line, and I mean, things will start to happen nicely. The positive side about this game that money, you see, it is producing each item costs one golden coin. Yes, so it is because extractors have like infinite resources. It just keeps producing it. Mhm. So you just leave it and it will like extract, keep extracting infinitely, and it will keep producing this golden coins for you. So this is very nice and handy. Once again, yeah, if you like good organizations, just yeah, keep connecting it like a schemes of your TV. Once again, you see, money are going much faster, and it will go even better and better. So yeah, use power supply, keep your iPad plugged in, and it will generate some good money for you. These golden coins, yeah. Okay, we have extracted this one, so it's a very good start. Now we have a chance to upgrade an extractor, right? So so for 200 coins, 1.5. My recommendation is to wait with this upgrades and accumulate money first. Okay, let's continue.